What's up, everybody? It is me, Dr. Sean K. I'm here with Tom Shin, and we are talking about the Absolute CNC pipe. It is made by Gregor McGrath. He's out on the West Coast. He's been testing these pipes for about what, two years now?
2 years now.
About 2 years now?
Maybe even a little longer.
A little bit longer. Okay,
Yeah.
So tell us about this pipe.
So this pipe is very special. Like I said, we were testing it for probably 2 years. He had a group of us test it. So we provided him with as much feedback as possible. Majority of my testing was on the YS96. I think I have about 11 gallons of testing flight time on that one. And I have also tested it on the OS105, the YS91, the YS120. And just recently, I've been able to start testing it on the OS91 speed. And I gotta say, every engine that it's been mounted to, it runs phenomenal. He paid attention to the airflow. A lot of the airflow on how the pipe is designed. If you've ever seen a Hattori pipe taken apart, you'll see that it's all stamped metal, just kind of welded together. All of the parts on Gregor's pipe is all smoothly machined on CNC. So every piece is CNC machined. It's not just stamped metal. So in doing so, he's able to contour all of the surfaces for flow. And it shows on the performance of the pipe. He put a lot of detail into the header too. The header is real special. If you're looking at a Hattori header, it's pretty basic, just real flat with like a bung welded to it. This one, he's got, once again, the flow, the bowl on the inside, the distance between O-rings so that it supports the pipe better. A lot of thought went into it, a lot of testing went into it, and I think it's a really great product. So when you purchase this pipe, it's gonna ask you for an option, whether it's an OS or a YS, and the pipe's the same. The only reason why you're choosing that option is because the header that comes with it. They have different headers, so make sure you pick the right one, or you can pick one and then get an extra header if you run both engines like I do.
Where in flight does this pipe shine? Like, where it's just like, okay, this is really it's true calling here.
You know, honestly, it's throughout the entire band. I can fly it at low head speed, which is about 1600, and it flies completely fine. Doesn't load up, the engine doesn't do anything funny, and I'm not tuning for that RPM band either. I just fly it. And then I can fly it at 2000 RPM, and it's fine. I can load it up. I can do TikToks. I can do stationary rolls, stationary loops. I can do big power loops, and it doesn't matter how much load I put onto the engine, it just keeps chugging.
What's the price for this pipe?
Retail price for the pipe, I believe, is $279. Better check that.
Let's check it. Yeah. What's up, Archie? Archie's here helping out. How much is it now?
$279.99.
All right, cool. All right, so I know these pipes are on pre-order right now. You can get them at Heli Direct, and they're going to be shipping in the next maybe 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks.
Yep.
So you'll be able to use these pipes before it gets cold, and when it starts to get like fallish, when it starts to cool
That's the
down.
best time for Nitro.
Best time for Nitro.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you, Tom. Let's go check out and see what this pipe does.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Absolute CNC in the building. Thanks, Tom. Killer flight.